Hello Kickstarter, we are H&Y, the same company you helped to launch the innovative REVORING 2 years ago. And now we are back to bring a new revolution to the filter accessory market for photographers and filmmakers. Introducing the H&Y REVORING Swift system. The Swift system is the world's first magnetic modular system combining drop-in filters, filter holder, square filters, hoods, matte boxes, all in one. It is made for you to tailor the most effective filter system for your own needs, and there are countless filter combinations and creative possibilities. The REVORING has a retractable blade technology which allows you to use the same filter on multiple lens sizes. No more annoying screw-on thread, additional filters, or step rings. It features 4 different sizes and covers lenses from 46mm to 95mm. And now we have applied this REVORING technology to our new Swift system, allowing you to use just one system for any of your lenses. The REVORING Swift system is designed to be entirely magnetic for lightning fast and easy installation, even on extreme shooting conditions. A clip-on 100mm filter holder has been designed for you to snap multiple square filters on smoothly. Use H&Y Gorilla Glass filters or wrap your own filters with our magnetic frame. Long exposure photography has never been easier. Our rear drop-in filter design allows you to remove and swap the polarizer quickly and independently without touching the front. With the REVORING base, you can easily move your entire filter system from one lens to another for capturing the same landscape with different compositions. We have also made a magnetic rubber collapsible hood for photographers to shield reflections when shooting through glasses. But what if you are not a photographer but a serious filmmaker, or if you are a hybrid shooter? You can now use the same system for your videography needs. The new REVORING Swift system is targeted at saving time and money for filmmakers. We have designed a featherlight clip-on magnetic mini matte box, weighing less than 140 grams. It is one of the lightest matte boxes on the market and can be easily balanced on drones or handheld gimbals. The entire filter system can be easily detached and remounted from one lens to another in split seconds, saving a great amount of setup time on set. We have spent countless hours to fine-tune the magnets to come up with one of the most reliable systems in the market. Behind the matte box, a new clip-on variable neutral density filter has been designed for filmmakers to control exposure with ease. It comes with 2 grading ranges and is designed with a hard stop to avoid the appearance of cross pattern when rolling. The VND and matte box are completely independent, and you don't need to keep the matte box on just for holding your filters. If you have a need to use other creative filters, the independent drop-in filter slot enables effortless swapping of filters on set. H&Y currently provides numerous drop-in filter solutions, including black mist, streak, stars, and so on for any of your filmmaking needs. From epic landscape capturing to run-and-gun gimbal shooting, from capturing the beautiful waterfall with long exposure to wedding photography, from professional cruise shooting to indie filmmakers, the H&Y REVORING Swift filter system is one of the most efficient systems to fulfill your photography and videography needs. We are offering great amounts of savings to our Kickstarter supporters. Back us now.